Hello and welcome to another excursion. I'm pretty sure I'll find some food today too. And in the process I'll bring you to another viewpoint. There you have a nice little bicycle lane. Just under the motorway. Heading out of town on the northern side. Crossing the Sitter River again. Here is really good at stacking wood in ornamental ways. The highest one was in the clouds yesterday, and the other one was out, the high cupboard. The highest one is called Santis. It's about 2,500 meters only. But because it's a bit of a standalone, detached from the Alps, the climatic zone is a bit like 3,500. It's a beautiful area to go hiking. That's what I wanted to say. It's quite amazing. We're about 5 km away from the city centre. That's quality of life, I guess. And in case you noticed, you always know that you're in Switzerland. There's always a flag flying somewhere. All. That was the aim of today's excursion. All sorts of different pumpkins. Most are for eating. Some are just to put on a windowsill. But yeah, the forms are pretty amazing. So now I can show you what I got it for myself. All mine. So this one will go into the oven tonight. That's vegetable, that's soup, that's a spaghetti pumpkin, and these two will go into the oven stuffed with things. This is the center of Gosau, famous for the little dots here and everywhere. Still haven't figured out what they were made of, but yeah. Oh yeah, in case you haven't noticed, we're in Switzerland. That's all new. There used to be another gravel path, but they did widen the bridge ahead. It used to be an awfully narrow thing. Oh, back across the Sitter and into town. Oh, we're almost back. It's already the station ahead. the circular building used to be a maintenance shed for the railway. It's now museum, cinema, art exhibition, restaurant, whatever. So today I'll show you something I just came up with. It's a spaghetti pumpkin that I've put into the oven for about 50 minutes. And I have a piece of dough here. This is commercially available dough that goes into a form. And if you pre-cook it, it doesn't get soggy if you put things on top. I have also some mincemeat from the fallow deer that I'll fry together with onion and garlic and a few spices, and that all goes into the oven. So I've done the mincemeat, put some salt and tandoori masala mix into it. It was just a quick fry for a bit of flavor. There'll be more cooking happening in the oven. So nicely distributing the lot. Of course you can use all sorts of mince or soy products for this. And now you can see the pumpkin comes out like spaghetti. It's been a while since I had spaghetti pumpkin. Actually, it's also nice in a casserole dish. Just to show you the spaghetti from close up. It really comes in this funny form. That's where the name's from. So, and then time to put some salt and I'll use some garam masala just to do a bit of fusion cuisine. And now it probably needs 20 minutes max in the oven, so I'll wait for the moment until the Reno shows up and then I'll do the rest. So it's going into the oven now. I did put some yogurt and thyme and pepper on top just to add a little bit. Now, so here's the result. Smells all right. I think we'll eat it.
Potato pie?
No. You know what that is? Spaghetti pumpkin. And you know what's underneath? No, you don't.
Pastry.
That too. Minced from the fallow deer. Now you can say hello to the audience.
You're all feeling sorry for me having to work. This is what I come home to. Dinner on the table.
I hope it's edible.
I'm sure it is. What you got there, Court?
I have 2 more of my pumpkins. I have some deer and I have mushroom cream sauce, and the mushrooms are from foraging too. So, yeah, hope it's edible.
So do I. So, the proof of the pudding. So what kind of deer do you have here?
It's the fallow deer, farmed deer. And it's quinoa stuffing with bacon cubes and dates.
Oh, it's delicious. Pumpkin is delicious. And the sauce. The pumpkin is really good cooked. So we get some mushrooms. Little Bambi.
Pasta test.
Yeah!